And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome here inside the ring your very own. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to Governor Antonio Tico.
Sa iyo na tanan, may nagabi. Ay kaluya kaya, may nagabi sa iyo na tanan. This is an international fight. And this is the only in Asia that we have 5 championship belt in one event. Ibig sabihin, sa isad na boxing, buroksing, isad na belt dapat ini 5. And not only for that, this is the first time that our boxing event will held in the lagoon. Amo ini. Kaya ali kita. So, these things will not materialize. There will be no pay-per-view, there will be no signal, Plus TV, Channel 7, ABS-CBN, without this very important person. He is the major sponsor of this ATK promotions today. Kung wala sa iya, wala kita niyan. Ambot kun hay kita. Daka an baraydan sinin ade sa ringside, daka 100,000. Hasta pakato na sa ibaw. Because of this person who made sacrifices para ma-realize, ma-materialize na ini. Tanan. This is a representative of ako Bicol Party List. Kaya ginabuligan kita ng mga boxing enthusiasts. Pag-abot man sa panahon, ako na mismo nag-apilar sa iyo, bubuligan taman ini aniya party in the person of Representative Saldico Maykase. We have also one of the major sponsors, the biggest mining operation, gold mining operations of entire country, the Pelmenera. Palakpakan mo natin. And we have also a major sponsor, a new star, resort and casino in Cebu. Palakpakan naman. And we have also a Newport World Resort, casino, hotel, and entertainment. Ininaupat. Amo ang nagbulig sa aton. Palakpakan man natin. Our international ring announcer, we have here a very controversial ring announcer in the person of Ted Lerner. Palakpakan ta. We have also our international matchmaker in the person of Sean Gibbon. Where is Sean? Oh. After this fight, this is our second edition to give opportunity to our youth to venture boxing, and who knows that Masbatiños will be named as one of an international boxing arena. Not only for that, there will be a tourism impact as far as this event is concerned. Because we will be now considered as the boxing hub of the Philippines. And the very most important, Masbatiños shared a world champion in the name of Pedro Adige. Champion in a lightweight and a welterweight in the year 1968 and 70 respectively. And not only for that, we have Tipoy Alamag, an oriental champion of bantamweight. So with that inspirations that we have, 101% with no percentage error occur at the earliest possible time, fighting against all odds, we can produce a second world champion. Oh, Mas Batinyo, salamat. Kaya natin ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, give it up for our governor, Governor Antonio Tico. Palakpakan po natin siya.